Dear fellow trader, in this video I would like to evaluate possible scenarios for QQQ. The first scenario is ABC correction, which can be finished today or tomorrow, and very similar to the previous one. As you can see it here, this correction has crossed below the support line. Somehow it represents something like what happened in the previous one. As you can see it here, this is actually like the time frame, and the size is pretty much the same. While the previous one was like 3%, this one is 3.5%. So this is like the first scenario that could happen. The second scenario that is also possible is the scenario to have a complex correction, which is like ABC. This ABC is just like A, then we experience another upward move, which is B, which can be like which may cause a pull back to this support line and then further decline. This is also possible. However, these are the correction. These are the correction, but we also can should consider an end of the bull market based on the Elliott wave. Now let's discuss this one, which needs to be considered as well. As you can see it here, based on the Elliott wave, this is this could be the fifth wave of a bullish market, which is extended one, and cause a deeper correction somewhere between like 16 to 20%. If we look at the weekly chart, it also shows that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we can experience a crash. This is very important to be considered because if market entered this phase, we can see a huge up to 25% of correction, which is very important. And this is something that I want to discuss, and we need to consider that after huge rally that we have here, there is a potential this is the end of the wave, the fifth wave. If we are looking at the daily, you can see it's like the wave 3 was extended, the wave 5 was also extended, and this makes it very likely for me to have this in my mind. So what we need to know is that all the top formations are usually complex one. We don't expect like crash like this. That's going to be with lots of volatility if it happens. If it happens, the reason that I mentioned this as the third case scenario is because of the likelihood of this is like less than the first two scenarios. To me, the complex correction could be the most likely case, the second scenario. But I want you to also consider this, that could happen. If we have this in mind, then the risk reward ratio of entering the market here will be changed significantly. So this is very important to be considered after a very long bull market, after which is started middle of October 2022. We have like 16, 18 months of bull market, and we need to see some meaningful correction. We didn't have any if you are looking at the previous 15 months. So, having said that, we need to hedge our position in a way that if market extended like lower, we can benefit from that move. Thank you for listening to me. Please subscribe to this channel if you like contents like this. And you can follow me on Patreon. And I will provide lots of free analysis for everyone on Patreon as well. And if you like, you can also subscribe to one of the tiers for more analysis every day.